Great day. Welcome to the CSS program. Our topic for this video is the computer software. Topics in this lesson include application versus system software, productivity software, business software, graphics and multimedia software, educational and reference software, entertainment software, communications software, getting help with software, acquiring software, installing and uninstalling software. The term software refers to a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. These instruction sets, also called programs, provide a means for us to interact with and use the computer. Your computer has two basic types of software: system software and application software. System software helps run the computer and coordinates instructions between application software and the computer's hardware devices. System software includes the operating system, utility programs, or the programs often in the operating system that help manage system resources, and device drivers. Application software is what you use to do tasks at home, school, and work. Here, you can see the various types of application software available. In this lesson, we will look at all of these types in detail, starting with productivity software. Productivity software includes programs that enable you to perform various tasks generally required in home, school, and business. This category includes word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, database, and personal information manager, PIM, programs. The most used is Microsoft Office, consisting of a word processing program called Word, a spreadsheet program called Excel, a presentation program called PowerPoint, a database program called Access, and a PIM called Outlook. Word processing software was one of the early applications that turned the computer into a necessity. It offers very powerful features to help write and edit all kinds of documents. Today's word processors incorporate graphics, templates, and wizards that allow users to create a wide range of document types. Microsoft Word and Corel's WordPerfect are popular word processing programs. Spreadsheet software enables you to do calculations and numerical analyses easily. You can use spreadsheet software to create a budget, and to evaluate different scenarios such as planning a loan payment strategy. The basic element in a spreadsheet program is the worksheet, whose columns and rows form boxes called cells. There are several types of data you can enter into a cell. Labels are descriptive text that identifies the components of the worksheet. Values are numeric data either entered indirectly or as a result of a calculation. Formulas are equations that you build yourself. Functions are formulas that are pre-programmed into the spreadsheet software. The primary benefit of spreadsheet software is its ability to recalculate all functions and formulas in the spreadsheet automatically when assumptions are changed. Examples of spreadsheet software include Microsoft Excel and Lotus 1-2-3. You use presentation software to create dynamic presentations such as this one. Basic features include a variety of slide layouts and design templates, pre-formatted slide backgrounds that add coordinated colors, fonts, and styles to your slides. You can use animation effects to control how and when text and other objects enter and exit each slide. Similarly, slide transitions add different effects as you move from one to the next during the presentation. There are several different formats with which you can view your presentation. The most common for editing is normal, or slide, view. Examples of presentation software include Microsoft PowerPoint and Corel presentations. Database software is basically a complex electronic filing system. Spreadsheet applications include many database features and are easy to use for simple database tasks such as sorting, filtering, and organizing data. However, you need to use a more full-featured database application to manage larger and more complicated groups of data that contain more than one table, or when you need to group, sort, and retrieve data and to generate reports. Traditional databases are organized into fields, records, and tables. A field is a data category such as first name. A record is a collection of related fields. A table groups related records together. Examples of database software include Corel Paradox and Microsoft Access. Most productivity software suites contain some form of personal information manager, PIM, software. These programs strive to replace the management tools found on a traditional desk, such as a calendar, address book, notepad, and to-do list. Some PIMs contain email management features so that you can not only receive email messages but also organize them into various folders, prioritize them, and coordinate them with other activities in your calendar. PIM examples include Microsoft Outlook and Lotus Organizer. Whether you are working on a Word document, spreadsheet, database, or slide presentation, there are several tools you can use to increase your efficiency. Wizards are step-by-step guides that walk you through the necessary steps to complete a complicated task. At each step, the wizard asks you questions. Based on your responses, the wizard helps you complete that portion of the task. Templates are forms included in many productivity applications that provide the basic structure for a particular kind of document, spreadsheet, or presentation. Macros are small programs that group a series of commands to run as a single command. Macros are best used to automate a routine task or a complex series of commands that must be run frequently. An integrated software application incorporates the most commonly used tools of many productivity software programs into one integrated standalone program. They don't include many of the more complex features of the standalone productivity software applications. Microsoft Works is an example of an integrated software application. A software suite is a group of software programs that have been bundled together as a package. You can buy software suites for many different categories of applications, including productivity, graphics, and virus protection. Microsoft Office is just one example of the many types of software suites on the market today. You can also buy different versions of the same suite, the difference being the combination of software applications included in each version. Financial and business-related software can be grouped into three main categories: personal financial software that helps you perform business-like tasks at home, such as preparing your taxes and managing your personal finances; general business software used in different capacities across industries; specialized business software designed for particular industries. Tax preparation software enables you to prepare your taxes on your own rather than having to hire a professional. Each program offers a complete set of tax forms and instructions as well as expert advice on how to complete each form. Examples include Intuit's TurboTax and H&R Block's TaxCut. Financial planning software helps you manage your daily finances. These programs include electronic checkbook registers and automatic bill payment tools. With these features, you can print checks from your computer or pay your regular monthly payments with automatically scheduled online payments or printed checks. Intuit's Quicken and Microsoft are popular examples. Accounting software helps small business owners manage their finances more efficiently by providing tools for tracking accounts receivable and accounts payable. In addition, these applications also offer inventory management plus payroll and billing tools. Examples of accounting software include Intuit's QuickBooks and Peachtree Accounting. Graphics software encompasses a wide range of programs home users and professionals alike use to design and create attractive documents, images, illustrations, and web pages. In addition, graphics software allows engineers and other professionals to create three-dimensional models and drawings to help them visualize construction plans. Graphics software is a part of a larger group of software, multimedia software. Multimedia software includes video and audio editing software, animation software, and other special software required to produce computer games. Image editing software, sometimes called photo editing software, enables you to edit photographs and other images. Image editing software includes tools for basic modifications to digital images such as removing red eye, modifying color hues, and removing scratches or rips from scanned images of old photos. Many of the software packages now also include an extensive set of painting tools such as brushes, pens, and artistic type mediums that allows you to create realistic-looking images as well. Adobe Photoshop is a full-featured image editing software application. Other image editing programs are geared to the casual home user and are included with digital cameras. Image collection software make it easy to use digital images in new ways. In Microsoft's Photo Story, you can add text, music, and camera movement to create full-featured slideshows. Using Google's Picasa, you can create posters or collages. Both products are free. MP3 is the audio compression format that reduces the file size of traditional digital audio files so more files take up less storage capacity. Hundreds of digital audio software applications are available to allow you to copy, or rip, play, edit, and organize MP3 files, as well as to record and distribute your own music online. Most digital audio software programs support one of the following functions. MP3 recording allows you to record directly from streaming audio and other software or microphone sources to MP3 format. Ripping allows you to copy CDs and encode them to MP3 format. MP3 burning allows you to record MP3 files onto a CD. CDs store between 10 and 15 songs in uncompressed format. In MP3 format, the same CD can store between 100 and 180 songs. Encoding and decoding / format conversion. Encoders are programs that convert files to MP3 format at varying levels of quality. Decoders / format conversion programs convert from one format to another. There are also huge numbers of free sources of audio files through the phenomenon of podcasting, which is the distribution of audio files, such as radio shows or music videos over the internet. Digital video editing software is used to edit digital videos. Features include special effects, transitions, narration / voiceover, and overlays. Although the most expensive products, like Adobe Premiere, offer the widest range of special effects and tools, there are some moderately priced video editing programs, such as Microsoft Movie Maker. Many people add hundreds or even thousands of files to their hard disk drive. Media management software helps them find what they're looking for. Software such as Windows Media Player, Nullsoft Winamp, or Apple iTunes organize audio and video files so you can sort, filter, and search your music collection by artist, album, or category. You can manage individual tracks, generate playlists, and even export the files to a database or spreadsheet application. You can burn the songs to a CD, and the program will print liner notes that you can place inside the CD case. Entertainment software is designed to provide users with entertainment. Computer games make up the vast majority of entertainment software. Virtual reality programs turn an artificial environment into a realistic experience. Educational software refers to the variety of software applications on the market that offer some form of instruction or training. Software applications that act as sources for reference materials, such as the standard atlases, dictionaries, and thesauri, are referred to collectively as reference software. Taking classes over the internet is fast becoming a popular method of learning because it offers greater schedule flexibility for busy students. These programs provide traditional classroom tools such as calendars and grade books over the internet. There are also special areas for students and their professor to exchange ideas and information in chat rooms, discussion forums, and email messages. Of course, there are areas where assignments, lectures, and other pertinent class information are available. Although some courses are run from an individually developed website, many online courses are run through course management software programs such as Blackboard and WebCT. Drawing software, or illustration software, lets you create or edit two-dimensional line-based drawings such as technical diagrams or original non-photographic drawings, animations, and illustrations using standard drawing and painting tools such as pens, pencils, and paintbrushes. Software applications such as Adobe Illustrator include tools that let you create professional quality illustrations. Microsoft Visio is a program used to create technical drawings, maps, basic block diagrams, networking and engineering flowcharts, and project schedules. MS Paint and other bitmapped programs allow creation of drawings that can be saved as bitmapped files such as .bmp, .gif, and .jpg. Desktop Publishing, DTP, software allows you to incorporate and arrange graphics and text in your documents in creative ways. Desktop publishing programs offer a variety of tools with which you can format text and graphics. You can easily change the font, size, and style of your text as well as arrange text on the page in different columns, shapes, and patterns. You can import files into your documents from other sources and manipulate graphics. Desktop publishing programs also include features that allow you to publish to the web. Examples include as Quark Express and Adobe PageMaker. Web page authoring software allows even the novice user to design interesting and interactive web pages, without knowing any HTML code. Web page authoring applications often include wizards, templates, and reference materials to help you easily complete most web page authoring tasks. Macromedia Dreamweaver is one of the leading programs to which both professionals and casual web page designers turn. NVU is an open-source, free web authoring program. Most Microsoft Office programs like Word have web authoring capabilities. There are specialized programs for a number of important business tasks, like writing business and marketing plans. Project management software such as Microsoft Project helps project managers easily create and modify scheduling charts so they can plan and track specific project tasks and coordinate personnel resources. Mapping programs such as Rand McNally's Street Finder are perfect for businesses that require a lot of travel. Customer relationship management, CRM, software is used to store sales and client contact information in one central database. Sales professionals use CRM programs to get in touch and follow up with their clients. Goldmine Business Contact Manager from Front Range Solutions is an example of a CRM program. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems are used to control many back-office operations and processing functions such as billing, production, inventory management, and human resources management. ERP systems are implemented by third-party vendors and matched directly to the specific needs of a company. Some software applications are tailored to the needs of a particular company or industry. Such software designed for a specific industry is called vertical market software. For example, the construction industry uses software such as Intuit's Master Builder, which features estimating tools to help construction companies bid on jobs. Other examples of vertical market software include property management software for real estate professionals and library automation software for cataloging, circulation, inventory, and custom report printing at libraries. In addition to these specific business software applications that companies can buy off the shelf, programs are often custom developed to address the specific needs of a particular company. These custom applications are often referred to as proprietary software because they are owned and controlled by the company that uses them. Computer-aided design, CAD, programs are a form of 3D modeling that engineers use to create automated designs, technical drawings, and model visualizations. Specialized CAD software is used in industries such as architecture, automotive, aerospace, and medical engineering. With CAD software, architects can build virtual models of their plans and readily visualize all aspects of design before actual construction. The 3D nature of these programs allows engineers to rotate the model and make adjustments to their designs where necessary, thus eliminating costly building errors. If you need help while you work with software, there are several different resources you can access to find answers to your questions. For general help or information about the product, many websites offer frequently asked questions, FAQs, for answers to the most common questions. Some programs also offer online help and support. Sometimes, online help also allows you to chat with a member of an online support team. Some applications are context-sensitive and offer help based on what task you're doing or screen tips to explain where your cursor is resting. In Microsoft Office applications, on the far top right of the screen, you'll find a question mark icon. This takes you to the main help interface. Integrated help means that the documentation is built directly in. You type a question, search for a term, or browse the help topics. There is the Help menu on the menu bar of most applications where you can choose to search an index or content outline to find out the nature of almost any feature of a Microsoft application. You can find software in almost any retail environment. Additionally, you can purchase software online, through catalogs, or at auctions. Virtually every new computer comes with some form of application software, though the applications depend on the hardware manufacturer and computer model. You can usually count on your computer having some form of productivity software pre-installed. If you're a student or an educator, you can purchase software that is no different from regularly priced software at prices that are sometimes substantially less than general consumer prices. Software purchased online is downloaded over the web and then installed. Web-based application software is a program hosted on a website and does not require installation on your computer. Freeware is any copyrighted software that you can use for free. Some software developers offer beta versions of their software free of charge. Beta versions are still under development. By distributing free beta versions, developers hope to have users report errors or bugs they find in the program. This helps the developers correct any errors before they launch the software on the market at retail prices. Software that allows users to test software, run it for a limited time free of charge, is referred to as shareware. Shareware is not freeware. If you use the software after the initial trial period is over, you will be breaking the software license agreement. Open source software is free to use on the condition that any changes you make to improve the source code also must be distributed for free. Software developers sometimes change their software programs to repair problems, or bugs, or to add new or upgraded features. Generally, they keep the software program's name but add a number to it to indicate it is a different version. Originally, developers used numbers only to indicate different software versions, major upgrades, and releases, minor upgrades. Today, however, software developers also use years, such as Office 2007, and letters, Windows Vista, to represent a version upgrade. Every software program has a set of system requirements that specify the minimum recommended standards for the operating system, processor, primary memory, RAM, and hard drive capacity. Sometimes there are other specifications for the video card, monitor, CD drive, and other peripherals. These requirements are generally printed on the software packaging or at the publisher's website. Before installing software on your computer, ensure your system setup meets the minimum requirements by having sufficient storage, memory capacity, and processing capabilities. When you buy software, you insert the CD that contains the program files, and for most programs being installed on a PC, an installation wizard automatically opens. By simply following the steps indicated by the wizard, you can install the software application on your system. If for some reason the wizard doesn't open automatically, the best way to install the software is to go to the Add/Remove Programs icon located in Control Panel on the Start menu. This feature locates and launches the installation wizard. One of the first steps in the installation wizard is deciding between a full installation and a custom installation. A full installation will copy all the files and programs from the CD to your hard drive. By selecting Custom Installation, you can decide which features you want installed on the hard drive. Uninstalling software in Windows requires using the uninstall utility found in the control panel. Most software programs load a series of files into the registry and system locations to support their operation. When uninstalling, all of these files need to be removed, and the only good way to do this is through the uninstall utility. Once a software program is installed, Windows has a number of alternatives for activating it. It can load from a desktop icon shortcut, or its icon can be placed in the Quick Launch toolbar. Alternatively, all programs can be located through the Windows Start menu, and even finding the executable file using Windows Explorer or My Computer and double-clicking will activate an installed program. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you soon.